Hi again. I forgot to do number 15 as part of section 1DC. And so let's go ahead and knock out 15. So on this one, you want to graph each of these lines, and eventually you're going to want to do it in your calculator, but I'm going to go ahead and draw these here. So it's got a y-intercept of -3, this first one does, and a slope of -2/3. So that might be down 2 and right 3, something like that. -2/3. And there are 2 points I can connect, and I can call it a line. I might actually make some more points. I can go the opposite direction, so left 3 and up 2. That'll give me another point that I can use to connect those together, just to improve the accuracy. Okay, so I get that one graphed. Let's graph the other one. So this one's going to be a little trickier, but it's got a y-intercept of 1/4. That's the b, and then it's got a slope of, if there's nothing there, it's a 1. So you can say up 1 over 1. So we're going to start at 1/4, which is right there, about, and I'm going to go up 1, which would be like 1 1/4, and then right 1. So it's going to be just above 1, 1. So there are a couple of points. And if I go up 1 and over 1 again, I can get more points again. They would all be just a little bit above these lines. And then I smooth them off. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so there it is. I graphed lines. And I want to determine the intersection. Where do they cross? Now, I can see it on the where I graphed, and so I know it's pretty close to -2, -2. Maybe it's -2, -1.5. I don't know. So to get a better idea, I'm going to graph that on my calculator, which I left at my desk. Hold on. Hi. So to graph this in my calculator, I need these in y equals form. They're already in y equals form. You're welcome. So this first one, I'm going to type in negative. Remember, not the minus sign, but the negative button. -2/3 x minus 3. And then for the second one, I'm going to graph x plus 1/4. Like so. If you don't have a graphing calculator at home, Google online graphing calculator. I'm going to graph those. Now, I seem to be zoomed out weirdly, so I'm going to zoom back to the standard one. So let's zoom and then number 6. That looks better. Hey, looks like we did a pretty good job drawing our picture. It matches, for the most part, what I see on the graph. So let's calculate that intersection. So it's this button right here. And you do second, and then the trace button. What is it that I want to calculate? Not that, not that, not that, not that. That, an intersection. And so, which one do I want to be my first curve? Well, it doesn't really matter. I choose this one. Which one do I want to be my second curve? The other one. And then I have to enter one more time to have it yes. So hit enter. And I get -1.95, -1.7. Does that look about right? I said it was pretty close to -2, -1.5, so I am feeling good about what I've graphed and good about the answer that I found because they match. So -1 point, I said round to the nearest tenth, so that would be -2.0, and then -1.7. Okay, so there's my answer, rounded to the nearest tenth. If you left it like this, that is an exact answer. You'll notice it doesn't keep on going, so that's fine too. If you did this by hand, then I'm going to go out on a limb and say you ended up with some fraction. See, that would be 1/20. So that would be like negative 39/20ths, and that would be, let's see, negative 1 7/10, so that would be negative 17/10, something like that. So you might have also, if you did this by substitution, you might have come up with something like, what is it, negative 39/20ths, and then negative 17/10ths. Now, I just did that in my head, so sorry if I messed it up, but I feel pretty good about that too. Okay, that's it. Again, if you have any other questions, come see me and read what it says on Google Classroom. I will tell you very specifically what you need to do as far as retakes. So please read it carefully. Bye.